How resetting AirPods affects your iCloud account.
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing a question that many AirPods users have. Will resetting my AirPods remove them from my iCloud account?
What does resetting your AirPods do?
When you reset your AirPods, you're effectively returning them to their factory settings. This means any changes or settings you've customized since you started using them will be wiped out. This includes things like renamed AirPods, adjusted settings like double tap controls, and any issues you've been experiencing that a reset might resolve. However, a reset does not automatically remove your AirPods from your iCloud account.
Will a reset remove my AirPods from my iCloud account?
Despite the fact that a reset restores your AirPods to their factory settings, it doesn't remove your AirPods from your iCloud account. Your AirPods remain linked to your iCloud account as long as you're signed into iCloud on the device to which the AirPods are paired.
How do I remove my AirPods from my iCloud account?
If you want to remove your AirPods from your iCloud account, you'll need to do more than a simple reset. First, you'd need to unpair the AirPods from your devices. To do this, go to the Bluetooth settings on your device and forget the AirPods. After you've done this, sign out of iCloud on that device. Remember, you should only do this if you're certain you want to remove your AirPods from your iCloud account. Also, make sure to back up any data you don't want to lose before signing out of iCloud. So, to sum things up, resetting your AirPods does not remove them from your iCloud account. Resetting only restores your AirPods to their factory settings but doesn't break the link between your AirPods and your iCloud. If you want to remove your AirPods from your iCloud account, you will have to unpair the AirPods from your device and then sign out of iCloud. I hope this video has been helpful and clarified some of the misconceptions regarding resetting your AirPods. Stay tuned for more useful tech insights.